We're going to go back to the home page for now, and the next thing I want to show you real quick is just how to use the advanced section of Coinbase. A lot of people don't realize this, but you actually have an advanced trading platform built right into the same exact application. So if I click on the three lines here in the top left, we can see advanced, which is toggled off. If we turn that on, it's going to bring us over to Coinbase Advanced, which is just going to give you more advanced charting, potentially a wider access to more cryptocurrencies, and it can also give you lower trading commissions, but I'll put something on screen with specifics about that, as I can't remember off the top of my head what that looks like. But if we click here on the trade button, it's going to bring us to the more advanced order side here on the advanced version of the app. And you can see here there's going to be different types of orders available. And you also have access to the full order book here on the right. And you can also take a look at charting, look at candlestick charts, and just get more advanced features overall. So if you are looking to trade cryptocurrencies, this can be especially helpful. And it's even more advanced on the desktop version of the app. So just keep that in the back of your mind that although we are only covering Coinbase Mobile, you also have access to a full-blown desktop web-based platform by visiting coinbase.com. And if we toggle over here from trade over to charts, we can see that they also have advanced charting available here like we were talking about, but you can even add technical indicators or turn certain ones off. And you can look at different types of charts available here as well. If you want line charts, different types of candlestick charts, and things like that. But that's the extent of what we're going to cover here. So we're just going to click back on the three bars, turn off the advanced mode, and go through the rest of the app features.